Hi guys, this is Enkarafun back again with another unboxing video, and today I have a package from Flipkart. I ordered a tempered glass for the new Xiaomi Poco F1 phone. Right, so well, basically for this phone, the new Poco, I got this in for sale. 120GB RAM, 6GB variant. Right, so let's unbox this bad boy. What the fuck? I think you broke the tempered glass or what? This tempered glass doesn't feel right. So let's check. Shockproof glass armor, zero bubbles, high transparent, delicate touch, explosion proof. What is this? Extreme durability and perfect grip. Glass armor, top shockproof glass. Includes real shield screen protector. What the fuck? Is this really a screen protector? This is not a tempered glass. This feels plastic. Really? Alright, anyways, let's test it out. Okay. Boom. Voila, it worked great. Voila. Alright guys, so this was the quick unboxing about this shockproof glass armor. By the way, keep note, this is not a tempered glass. If you guys like the video, please do hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far.